Hello and welcome. Today I will do a tutorial or even talk about advanced backupping your music library. This video is made for the professional DJs that do every month or even every week their backups and spend lots of time copying their library over onto external hard disks, just in case their laptop breaks during performance. Once in a month, I used to spend a full day copying over my documents to external hard drives, but I found a better solution. There exists something like NAS, also known as Network Attached Storage. What is a network attached storage? It is kind of a personal cloud. Users on a LAN network can access the shared storage via a shared Ethernet connection. For more information, just check out videos on YouTube. There are thousands of videos explaining what a NAS is. But today I'll just explain quickly what I did. I bought this 2-bay NAS and equipped it with 2x4 terabyte hard disks. They work in RAID. What does that mean? That means that one automatically clones the other one. If one breaks, you can replace it without losing data. If you still want a backup on your external hard disk, then there are, depending on your NAS, some settings or plugins to back up your data via USB. So what did I do? I moved all my data from my PC directly to the NAS. Yay! More data free on the laptop. Except for the documents and musics. For those, I used a program, in my case called Synology Drive, to synchronize those folders between my PC and the NAS. In theory, you can even synchronize them across multiple PCs. So if you want to prepare your music on a desktop and then synchronize it via the Drive app to the NAS and from there to another laptop, that's totally possible, and you take the laptop with you to the gig. To wrap it up, a NAS is a big overkill for a simple DJ, but if you feel like losing lots of time on backups, then this might be also your solution. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and of course have a nice day and see you next time.